So in the winter, it's very common to have coughs, whether it's, with allergies or with illnesses or asthma flares, whatever it may be. So with coughing in general, over-the-counter medications are not going to be super helpful, especially with younger kids. We want to try to avoid those because of the risk of overdosing and also side effects that can happen with those. Older kiddos, though, are welcome to try them here and there, although I wouldn't do over-the-counter remedies even for older kiddos very often because we want them to cough. We want them to produce mucus and get things out. We don't want it to stagnate in their chest and cause problems. So usually I say if you're going to use that, mainly just at night before bed to help them fall asleep, and other than that, try to avoid it if you can. But other things, more natural things you can try to help soothe your throat is cough drops are fine. Honey's a great one, especially if your throat's just feeling really raw. It's a really, really good one. Warm drinks, of course, are good. Some people like cold drinks, though. That can be helpful too, but warm drinks typically are going to be a little bit more helpful. Cool mist humidifiers at night, because whenever you're stuffy, you tend to mouth breathe a lot and it dries out your throat real bad. And so having a cool mist humidifier to help keep that throat nice and moist, or at least compensate for it while you're sleeping, can be really helpful too with kiddos. Steam showers, of course, can be helpful. And then also keeping in mind that with those coughs, also a lot of it's due to postnasal drip and just irritation in the throat. And even if you don't have really severe allergies, although most of us do in Oklahoma, you can use allergy medications to help with those coughs when you're sick. Especially like the nasal sprays, like Flonase and things like that, can help dry up the mucus and also decrease the swelling in your nose. That can help with all that post-nasal drip you're having that's irritating your throat and causing you to cough. So those can actually help a lot. Keep in mind though that if you're going to use Flonase or nasal sprays, such as like steroid nasal sprays, you have to be older than the age of 2. But pretty much everybody can do little saline rinses if they need.